much older artist, 1824, 25 is his birth date. Somebody like Picasso, born 1881. All, however, painting in the same 20 years that we're concerned with in this class. And Gérôme, circa 1900, really one of the most celebrated artists in Paris. Seen as not a modern artist in many people's view, but extremely distinguished member of the Conservative Academy of Art, and however not completely at odds with some of the themes and aims of artists such as Matisse and Picasso. These two pictures on the screen, like Cubist art in general, is about art. It's art about art. It's not just about ancient culture or mythology. Both of these typical images by Gérôme at the end of his career. He lives into the 20th century. Here, Pygmalion, about, it really is a kind of Cubist picture. Cubism is about what? The relationship of art to reality. What is it? Blurring the distinctions at times, others saying, look, art is not the same as reality, and making it in 1912 even more questioning by placing so-called real objects like sheet music onto a painting in which you say, is that a representation of sheet music or is it real sheet music? But the loosely described representations in 1910 in Picasso's Cubist pictures in which it's a foot, I think. It's a head, there's an eye, in which you say, well, how do I know it's an eye? Is it this really a representation of an eye, that its appearance is it, or is it just kind of a sign language? Is it like words? This deals with the same issues. There's art, and then the artist, the sculptor here in this myth, ancient Greek myth, wishes it to become reality. And here you're witnessing the same kind of, is she completely human yet? Or is this like a Cubist picture hanging in limbo? Yes, it's been transformed by the gods into a living woman, but down here, I'm sorry, your computer will have to wait 7 minutes to finish. It's shown in transition, right? Both art and reality simultaneously. Most people would not call this a Cubist picture, but it deals with the same sort of themes that Cubist art, a kind of intellectual meditation on art's relation to reality, among other themes, love and the like, that you also have dealt with here in an artist studio. Here too, at a site called Tanagra in Greece in the 19th century, there were discovered a whole huge trove of small ceramic figurines, colored, of Greek statuary, Greek robes, Greek figures, some nude, many of them dressed, small scale, and this opened the eyes of artists who, as more than just